My name is Randy Kagan, the host of the Eco Comedy Show. Why do people have to waste water to clean their cement and asphalt? How clean does asphalt have to be? You're not supposed to eat on it. Who, do you have sex on pavement? It's not supposed to be clean, dummies. It's pavement. And I have very funny friends like Sarah Silverman.
Would this be a pet peeve of yours, littering?
Littering even when people littered when we were kids. You know, we had the Crying Indian ad and everything,
And he was Italian, by the way, which doesn't make him less sensitive.
True?
It's true.
And the roast master, Jeff Ross.
And we're two big guys in the back of this pedicab, but I felt good about saving the gas.
But you created a manslave.
And the beautiful Bobby Lee.
You know what I mean? I'm sensible, you know what I mean?
Well,
I'll eat a Big Mac. I'm fine with it, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'll have sex with hookers.
Listen to the Eco Comedy Show. We're saving the world one joke at a time.